You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this animal straightly, correctly, once and for all. Rooster is the British English pronunciation, while in American English it's normally pronounced as rooster. Rooster, American English, how they pronounce it in the UK, while in the UK, rooster. How to pronounce English pronunciation, rooster, or American English pronunciation, rooster. Did you get the difference? Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.